when you are in India, you are worried about your religion, your caste, your language, है ना? South India and North India, है ना? We will not let you, speak Hindi. We will not let you speak Tamil. All of this. What are these daily celebrations, daily festivals? है ना? I have become really bored with all the celebrations and migration. Do we as migrants carry our identity? How many of you are Haryanvi? No Haryanvi here. Okay, Maharashtrian. Anyone from Maharashtra? कहाँ से हो तुम लोग? अच्छा यूपी हाँ यूपी. Who all are from यूपी? ये क्या बात है, मेरी क्लास में यूपी का इतना जोर क्यों है? Very strange. So now, even if you are sitting in Delhi taking a class, you still carry your identity of being from UP? You still carry? So what is this? Even wherever you go, even after migration, people carry their identity. You carry this identity even if you go abroad. If you go abroad, what becomes more important? Identities. If you are in India, you will say, what are these daily celebrations, daily festivals? You know, I have become really bored with all the celebrations, and the moment you go out of India, like Diwali ek hafte baad hai na? And I have seen a lot of people who became NRIs, and they were the ones who were like so criticizers, big criticizers of Indian culture, and suddenly when they go, they become really cultural people. They are celebrating, they are arranging parties. आओ होली मनाएंगे, आओ दिवाली मनाएंगे, आओ पूर्णमासी का व्रत रखेंगे, अचानक से, because somehow they feel that we need to have that identity. So this means our religious identity, linguistic identities, our racial identities, all of these get carried. यहाँ पे हम लोग छोटा छोटा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कर सकते हैं, अपर कास्ट, लोअर कास्ट, है ना, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन, जैन, बुद्धिस्ट, डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स. हियर वी आर लाइक, हाँ तुम हमारे जैसे नहीं हो. सडनली यू गो आउट ऑफ इंडिया, सडनली you 3-4 people meet in Spain and you're like, Indian, and now you don't have any problem because somehow your religious and ethnic and all these identities have diluted, and suddenly you feel like just meeting an Indian is the best thing. You feel like that brotherhood, that fraternity. So this means even when a person is carrying 2, 3, 4, 5 identities, some identities become dominant at some times. When you are in India, you are worried about your religion, your caste, your language, है ना? South India and North India, है ना? We will not let you, speak Hindi. We will not let you speak Tamil. All of this, and suddenly when you go outside, Indian. So what is this? That at some point of time, some identities can dominate the others.